Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be with you. We are reaching the 11th section, 11th day of Ramadan. We enter the second third of this month, and we are getting something which is also important in this section about a very important message, a very important teaching that we have. Of course, we are fasting now and we are trying to purify ourselves, purify our body, purify our heart, try to come close to God. But there is something in the whole process which has to do with what we have, with money. And we understand this. At the end of this month, we also have to pay the Zakat al-Fitr, which is also the way we are going to show out of our gift, our donation, that we are connected with our heart to God. And zakat is essential. Very often we translate zakat by alms and things. I think that the most important thing here is a social purifying tax. It's social because it has to do with the people. We have to give this to the poor people. It's a tax because it's an obligation, and purifying because it has a spiritual dimension here, which is important, that we find in one of the verses that we have in this. خُذْ مِنْ أَمْوَالِهِمْ صَدَقَةً تُطَهِّرُهُمْ وَتُزَكِّيهِمْ بِهَا. Take from the money sadaqah, which is here understood by the scholars as zakat, the social purifying social tax, tutahhiruhum, to purify them, to reform them, and to zakihim, it's also to purify what they have. So it's tutahhiruhum themselves, and to zakihim, it's their good, what they have in their money. This is also something which is essential in the process. Not only we come to God with our heart, not only we try to be better beings, but we also have to deal with Him in the way we deal with what we have. Is zakat that we are paying at the end of the month, but also the zakat that we have to pay all our life when we have money, has to do with a double purifying process, ourself and our good, what we have, our money. So we need to purify the money the way we are purifying our body. So the way we fasting for the body is paying the zakat for the money. So it's exactly this. It's mirroring the whole thing. It's a spiritual journey that is so important here. And it has to do once again with, don't tell the people or don't try to pretend that you are purifying the self only through praying and coming back to your heart, not understanding that the way you are with your money is saying something about the way you are with your heart. The way you are with the poor is saying something with the way you are with God. If you neglect them, if you are not ready to give, it means that you want from Him, but you're not going to share. That's an essential teaching, especially during the months of Ramadan. We have to come back to this very important dimension of fasting, which has to do with give. Give from your money. Give from what you have. Give from who you are, in order with the way you give to reform yourself as much as you are purifying what you have. This is the message of Islam. God, inshallah, help us to be able to achieve this. And don't forget to tell the people you love that you love them. Life is fragile. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.